Let's go hunting! Good morning and welcome to a new vlog. So right now we are in the forest. We're gonna go look after some chantarelles. So here's the wood. Let's go hunting!
Titta här. Jättefint. Vi kommer hitta mer längre fram.
Oh my god! Look at this!
Fortsätt hela vägen bort. Du står på nästan.
Oh yeah. So right now we have a lot of mosquitoes here in the forest, and we have found some chanterelles, so let's keep hunting.
Sen på andra sidan här. Mysigt. Man vill inte att det ska vara mycket varmare när man ska till skogen.
Jag kommer. So the hunt is continuing. So here in Sweden we have something that we call allemansrätt. It's like you can go into the forest no matter who you are and no matter who owns the forest. Everybody has the same rights to be in the forest. We can pick chanterelles, we can pick blueberries and lingonberry and stuff, and it's okay. So that's pretty amazing. I don't believe all country has opportunities like that. So this is the hunt for today, and you see it's quite a lot of them. Oops!
Oops, little one.
Let's take that one. Are you happy, hubby?
Ja, nu drar vi.